So Marcia Wade has managed to create a book of humorous stories, each of which contain a valuable morale. Which makes this book interesting is that there are a set of worksheets which tests the reader's literary and comprehension skills while prompting them to explore their own creativity. That's a mouthful. She's with me now. Morning, Marcia. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Morning, morning. Morning, Jamaica.
Marcia, them can't hear you enough about out to us. Nice, how are you?
I'm a good man. Good. God is good.
Yeah, man, all the time. Good to see you. Is this your first write?
Yes, it is my first write.
Why?
Yes.
Why you wanted to do this?
Well, as you you don't know, but I was a teacher for 23 years, and as a teacher, I was privy to be a cultural ambassador thanks to micro practice in school. And while I was there, I used to teach the children Patois to Patois poems, wrote Patois poems, took them to festival, and I realized how expressive they are when they have the Patois. When they are talking Patois, it just take it to a different level. And also, I use the Patois as a tool. For example, for an opening, I will do something in Patois, a song, a poem, something like that. And the children would always gravitate to it. And I was also privileged to go overseas as a teacher, a cultural ambassador as well. And while teaching, I realized how much the children gravitated to the Patois. You had to take your culture with you. And Patois is a part of our culture, obviously. And I noticed that the children would always want me to talk the language, or they normally go to the Patois chart, because I had a chart. I had a group, a poetry group called Chatters, and I taught them Patois. And when they are doing the Patois, yes, the accent is there, but the expression. And then the idea came to me, why not write a book that will be beneficial educationally, beneficial morally, beneficial elevate them, entertain them, so the children would understand what our life was like back then. So you know that the book takes us back to the late 80s, early 90s. The children understand their past. They are getting educational opportunities from the book because of the worksheets and so on. It also has a teachable glossary, so they can remind them of what. So, for example, a question is asked, what is a metaphor? They can always go to the teachable glossary, read up what a metaphor is to refresh their minds, and go back and answer the question. And the most important thing of all, the book, every single story leaves a child with a moral. So they don't just go away, oh, the story funny and it's nice, but they go away with a life lesson, something that they can carry on through life. So the inspiration came for the love, how much the children loved the language and how much I saw what it did to them when I was teaching them. And so Patois Tales was born.
Yeah, enough chatting your chat a while ago. By the way, I did know that you were a teacher for 23 years. I did know that. You said it was conceived in Oslo, County, North Carolina. That's where you, as you just told the story, that's where you thought about doing this.
Yes. I was, as I said, when I was a teacher, overseas as well.
Yeah.
And that's where the idea came.
I like the moral part. Tashi Mo, the one that stood out to me was the one that you dealt with honesty. When the punishment from her principal, and she actually told the principal that she was the one, and she didn't get punished because she was honest. That's a good story for youngsters, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It teaches a child that own up to your wrongs. I'm not going to say that every time when you do something wrong, you will be rewarded. And it's a reward
in a strange way.
It's a punishment.
Yeah, in a strange way, because she did something wrong, but because she said I did it, the principal kind of say, I appreciate that you owned up to it. One question. Tashi Mo flopped at the police youth club the night she was singing. What was the morale of that story?
Never give up. never give up. And do what you can do best. What Tashimo wanted to do, she wanted to sing like the songbird. Tashimo is not a singer, but Tashimo is good at writing, and Tashimo is good at expressing herself in poetry. So Tashimo, when she got the opportunity now to she wrote a song, and she got the opportunity now to say the song instead of singing the song. All of our radiance came out, and everybody started to applaud her and clap her because she was now doing what she was gifted to do and not follow. You know, sometimes we want to follow because this person can dance, we want to dance, but really and truly, dancing is not our gift. So this story is teaching children, own your gift. Own your gift and do well at your gift.
Yeah.
Practice, do well at your gift and own your gift.
Yeah.
Yes, you can admire somebody else who has another gift, but don't want to follow them.
Yeah.
Do what you can do best.
Yeah, great stories. Is there any truth to any of these stories, or all of this just come from your head?
Actually, yes, it's truth. There are some truth and fiction. So, if you notice, Mr. B is actually my father. Tashimo is me. I did buck up in the principal for real. I did get them laugh after me. A police would come for real. But I add a little. I add some more to it so that I could build a moral around it. So I add more color to the story. But really and truly, every single story that is in this book adds some truth to it. Mango time, my father used to carry one big bag of crocos, bag of mango, the true, and the whole lane eat mango. All of the stories have a part truth, part fiction.
Yeah, man. Fantastic book. Where can we get it?
Okay, you can get it at Kingston Bookshop. You can get it at York Pharmacy. You can also get it on Amazon for the international folks. And the ebook is also on Amazon, and the audiobook is coming out very, very soon. If you also want a personal copy, you can look me up on Instagram, Marsha Wade 10. I will sign it. Autograph it, send it to anywhere in the world. I send book at England, I send book at Canada, I send book at America. If you want book sign up, nice up and go out with a bag of thing, you can always inbox me on Messenger. I will kindly, nicely send you a book overseas, okay? Yes, so that's where you can get my book.
Great to see you. Stay safe. God bless you.
Bless you too. Bye, Jamaica. Love the whole lot.
Marsha, stop your noise, man. All right, Marsha Wade, author of Patois Tales, The Adventures of Tashimo. All right, a fantastic read. The youngsters will like it.